Welcome back. You're watching Power Breakfast on CNBC TV18. And let's move on and talk about what's happening in the world of commodities. While geopolitical tensions obviously continue, where is gold-headed? Manisha is joining in with us to tell us more in the world of commodities. Good morning, Manisha.
Morning, and thank you for that. Well, I'll start with the crude oil prices, where we have seen reports over the weekend coming in that OPEC and allies will delay output hike that was earlier planned for the month of December. So the crude has been under pressure in the recent few weeks because of weak demand, higher production, especially coming in from non-OPEC countries. So OPEC clearly seems to be dealing with this right now. OPEC has slashed nearly 6 million barrels per day in the last 2 years, and they have been seeking to ease that out. But looks like it's going to be delayed by one more month right now, and that seems to be supporting the crude oil prices. Remember, the U.S. crude oil production is at a record highs when it comes to the markets there at around 13 million barrels per day. So various factors, fundamentals really impacting this one. But we started Asia on a stronger note because of the OPEC and allies decision onto this one. Well, this week is going to be quite an important one because with the U.S. presidential elections, and the markets also are looking at the U.S. Fed monetary policy meeting. Well, that's on Wednesday. But not just the U.S. You also have monetary policy meetings coming in from UK, Brazil, Australia, Poland, Norway, etc. And that in turn really seems to be supporting the gold prices right now. The weakness in US dollar also has been supportive. It is the weakness in US dollar which also seems to be supporting the metal prices right now. And then apart from that, the China National People Congress meets on 4th to 8th of November, and there's a possibility of a 10 trillion stimulus being announced. That in turn also seems to be supporting. So overall, most of the commodities have opened on a positive note, whether it's about crude oil prices, gold or industrial metals, or are trading quite on the firmer note.
Okay, thank you so much for that, Manisha. Surely keeping an eye out on all the commodities over there.